Hey guys, it's Cal from The Lighting Doctor here. If you're still on the fence about doing your own landscape lighting, then watch this video. I'm going to share some more great tips for you. And please be sure to go and check us out at lightingdoctor.ca on our how-to page for more great resources. So the other light that we recommend all the time, and you find all the time in our do-it-yourself kits on our website, is it's again from FX Luminaire, because it is one of the most quality path lights that we've come across, is the PL path light from FX Luminaire. So it's a really simple, really sleek design. The reason we like it, again, is it's a really well-built, quality fixture, and again, when you order it, you can feel the actual quality of that fixture and how sturdy and durable this is. You're not going to break this with a shovel or a lawnmower or anything like that. It is easily one of the most durable ones on the market. Every light comes with an 8-inch ground stake, so it gives you a ton of durability to get that in the ground and really keep that upright so it doesn't get knocked over. Every light comes with LED drop-in bulb already pre-installed. Again, it's that 2700 Kelvin temperature, that warm white color that you're used to seeing, 170 lumens, so it's plenty bright on a 12-inch riser. So usually you can space these out anywhere from 8 to 12 feet. The darker the area is, the more further you can space them out. If you're on stairs and stuff, you want to space them a little bit closer just to make sure that you're getting enough light so that it's not a tripping hazard or anything. But it's easily, again, one of our favorite lights to use. It's super durable. You can get this as a try it before you buy a light that comes with the Insta-Light from King Innovation, so you can actually go and test it out on your property as well. Hey guys, it's Cal from Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and got some great tips for your next landscape lighting project. Please be sure to go and check us out at lightingdoctor.ca and go and get your free consultation where we can walk you through some ideas for your own project. And also go and check out our Try It Before You Buy It light, where you can now go and buy one of our premium quality FX uplights and a King Innovation Insta-Light, which is basically a battery pack that allows you now to go and test out these high quality lights on your property and see how they're going to look. Keep it for 14 days, and if you don't love it, send it back to us and get a full refund. If you do, you keep it at the discounted rate and you just get what else you need for your project. So I hope you guys take advantage of this great offer. And again, go and visit us at lightingdoctor.ca or call me at 888-471-0008. Thanks for watching.